Hi, Shelley Hancock here, and welcome to my treatment room. This video is the instructions for the Dermadisc exfoliating tool. First, I want to show you how to turn it on. This is your on button down here. Make sure your hands don't have any residue on them because this is a little slick and it'll be hard to turn. Just grab this and turn it slightly counterclockwise. Once you feel it start to vibrate, stop. There's only one level of vibration, so there's no need to keep turning it around. When you're ready to turn off your Dermadisc, you're going to turn it clockwise until it stops. Okay? Super simple. Now let's show you how to change the battery when it's time. You want to grab the whole thing, turn it on just as you did before, but this time keep turning around counterclockwise. Keep turning until you feel the whole piece down here come loose, comes apart. Your battery comes out this way. It's a AA battery. You want it to go back in negative first. The positive's going to be showing on this end. You're going to take your tip here. I want you to hold the end here. And what you're going to do is you're going to screw these back in. So hold this tight, screw clockwise so that these pieces come together. There's actually two pieces here. You're going to screw that in. It doesn't have to be tight, just to where these are nice and close. Then you're going to take the end, put it at the end of your Dermadisc, give it a little push in. Do this slowly, you guys. Don't be in a hurry. Make sure those threads are nice and even and start screwing in clockwise. You've got to have a little pressure on there while you're doing it. Screw it in nice and tight. Once you've got it, not tight, just so that's nice and sturdy. Then make a counterclockwise to make sure it starts vibrating, and you're good to go. Okay? That's all you need to know about turning it on and off and changing the battery. Cleaning your tips. The tips just screw off. You have 3 tips, actually 4 that are coming with this. 3 exfoliating tips and 1 smooth tip. Just screw this off. Please do not put this whole thing down in your antibacterial, okay? You can wipe this off with a wipe, but screw the tip. You want to take it over under this hot water in the sink, soapy toothbrush, scrub really good, rinse, and put it down in your quats, is what we call it. For 10 minutes, rinse, and it's ready to go for the next client. Okay? Please, again, do not put the whole wand down in your cleansing solution. Okay, that's it. Next video is how we do the treatment on a client.